Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Meghan Trainor. Whoops. She messed it up here, and this will be a summer song. In my opinion, it's gonna play a lot in summer. That's what I believe. So let's take a look at Whoops. And we have basically 4 chords in this song. That is the main part of the song, and that makes up for a big chunk of this song. But anyway, to handle the other parts, the bridge and the outro, we have another many chords. So it's up to you if you want to follow all that. We're going to start with the main 4 chords, and you could probably play through this song with these 4. Let's take a look at them. No need for any capo here. We're going to start with F. That's a bar chord. You play a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next is D minor. Alright, so that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. G minor. That's another bar chord. We play the bar on the 3rd fret now over all strings, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. And you have then the C. Alright, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So there you have the 4 main chords in that order. They're played F, D minor, G minor, and C. Okay, so I can at this point now learn out the string pattern that will work for the song. You can play this in different ways. I found one that is very common and it works with the time and everything. So if we go back to the 1st chord, the F, 1 string around will be down, up, clap, down. Okay, so that will be down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. Alright, you're gonna play 1 of these string rounds per chord. So F, D minor, G, C. And you keep up that through the entire song almost. If you want, I can explain now, because at 1 minute and 40 seconds into the song comes a bridge part. And to handle that, you're gonna need to play A. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. What I suggest you to do here is just to play 1 down on that chord per chord, and the chord progression will be A, D minor, G minor, and C. I think you do that for 2 rounds, so A, D minor, G minor, and C, 1 down per chord, and then after that bridge part comes the outro, alright? So what you do there from the outro, it's the difference there between the main and outro part is that you need to move everything 1 fret on a guitar and higher everything. So that means instead of F, D minor, G minor, and C, you're gonna play now F sharp, D minor sharp, G sharp minor, and C sharp minor. C sharp. So that is a dilemma, because that will be a little bit difficult for most. I mean, the gain is just that little if you compare to what you need to handle. So what I suggest here is to go with the main 4 chords, the F, D minor, G minor, and C. If you really want to go with this outro and match up with the sound, then I can just show you how to do that a little bit faster than normal. This is the F now, the F sharp. You move the F chord 1 fret towards you, you land at this position. Exact same grip, that will give you the F sharp chord. The D sharp minor, it's a little bit tricky to do it like this. You have the D minor, and then you just play a bar and move everything 1 fret. I would suggest you go to this chord. That is the D sharp minor. You play a bar on the 6th fret, 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 8 on D, 8 on G, and 7th on B. That is the D sharp minor. The G sharp minor is exactly the same as the G minor. You just move everything like I said before, 1 fret towards you. You land with the bar now on the 4th fret, and everything follows there. That's the G sharp, and the C sharp, I would suggest you go up to this position. Okay, so it looks exactly the same as the F sharp minor or the F grip. Now you move it at this position. That will be the easiest scenario for you. You land with the bar finger on the 9th fret, all right? And everything there follows 11th on A, 11th on D, and 10 on G. And there you have the new chord progression for the last final rounds. The outro part, F sharp, D sharp minor, the G sharp minor, and the C sharp. Okay, so if you wanna work a lot and get everything correctly and right, then you do all these extra chords. Otherwise, F, D minor, G minor, and C. That's it. Meghan Trainors, whoops. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.